I love going to the farmer's market because that's where I get my beef jerky and freeze-dried honey, which tastes awesome. And you can get fruits and vegetables.
Okay, what's this elderberry syrup?
And there's a booth that sells a variety of yummy dips, or I guess they call them chutneys. And the cilantro chutney is my favorite. Well, so far, because I haven't tried them all. But you know, the thing that always goes through my head is this something I can make myself? Some of it I can, and some of it I can't, but I think that I can do this cilantro chutney. And since the farmer's market has been closed lately, I'm going to go ahead and attempt to try this myself. This costs $6 at the farmer's market. Obviously, if you do it yourself, you can do it for a lot cheaper. And I noticed it had been frozen and thawed, so at least we know it can be frozen. But it was just a little bit runny this time. You're going to need 3 cups of cilantro, and I'm going to remove some of these stems because I don't like those. Add that into a food processor. My food processor has a crack in it, so I hope I don't make a mess. Add a clove of garlic, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and if you like it spicy, you can add half a jalapeno seeded, and 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. If I put the blade in. Let's mix it up. Whoa, hello? Let's see if it looks anything like the sauce I get at the farmer's market. Let's try it. At first it doesn't taste like it at all, but after the garlic and cilantro is infused, it tastes exactly like it. Thanks for watching.